Okay, so my presentation is on the spectacular use or the spectacular versatility of E. coli inspector for cloning recombinant DNA. That word, yeah. Okay, inspectors are nucleic acids from viruses in which DNA fragments can self-replicate. You may ask, what is the most common vector? Well, microorganism E. coli has a long history in the biotechnology industry. Okay, so why is this the most common vector? For one, there are 5 reasons pretty much. Genetic simplicity. This bacteria has a small genome size compared to eukaryotes. So E. coli has 4,400 genes versus humans who have 300,000 genes. And the growth rate. Bacteria grow much faster than humans, the more complex humans or organisms. E. coli can grow at a rate of 1 generation in 20 minutes, unlike the 9 months as humans take to produce a baby. The safety. E. coli is found in the intestinal tract in humans that helps with provide proteins such as vitamin K and B12. And then the conjugation and genome sequence. The E. coli sequence was the first sequence to be discovered and the first to be studied under the microscope and is currently highly used in experiments. And then ability to host foreign DNA. E. coli has the ability to host a foreign DNA like humans and without eating it or sending macrophages to the DNA and destroying it. So what is the process of DNA cloning? In humans, DNA first needs to be cleaved into fragments, cut into tinier pieces, and inserted to a vector DNA, which is emphasized by restriction enzymes and inserted into E. coli. So the first restriction enzymes are endonuclease when inside a bacterium that typically recognizes specific sequences called restriction sites, and then those are cleaved. In other words, human DNA is a lot like bacterial DNA. The second reason is DNA fragments either have a sticky or blunt end inserted into the E. coli bacteria with the aid of DNA ligase. The fourth reason, an ampicillin resistant site is inserted into a recombinant plasmid, so when the DNA fragment is injected into cells that do not take up the amounts of the ampicillin, those that do not will die, creating more of the healthy gene or the DNA. In other words, ampicillin is used because humans do not want E. coli in their systems. And then now you have multiple DNA fragments that you can then insert into a human. And the questions. Everyone, the first one is, what is the most important reason why why microorganisms are used in DNA cloning. Can anyone answer that?
Probably because microorganisms can self-replicate at very high rates.
Yes. I thought it was two, but okay. So, okay, what is the most common factor in DNA cloning? Anyone? One. One? Oh yes, you guys are right. Smart. Okay. Why is M used in DNA cloning? Okay. It was M more like 4 or something is what it's supposed to be, but yeah. So anyways, anyone? No. Okay. Class participation. Someone please just guess. And no one is answering why.
4?
No.
3?
No. Okay. It's cells that do not take up plasmids die on ampersand sites. So pretty much any like cell body that doesn't take up ampersand will die because they are it's not in their gene or DNA. And that is it.